Welcome back, guys, for the Bitcoin daily close. We're gonna analyze the price again for Bitcoin. We'll see what's going on and what we might expect next. So basically, we mentioned today after yesterday crazy move, of course, depending on the news. Currently, nothing, I would say, nothing is yet confirmed that we are very, very bullish or even very, very bearish. That because we're still ranging in between the two areas of a breakout for Bitcoin. Meaning, if we are going bullish here, we need to break out from this area, totally breaking out, meaning we need this confirmation for a bull market unless the things push for lower again, and then we need to break out for a bear market confirmation. And why? Because currently the market is simply reacting to news, guys. It's all about news. Now, of course, Elliott Wave definitely can be translated here, but it is very, very likely that we are going into news here because I see a triangle. Yeah, so the triangle meaning confusion, corrections, up and downs, up and downs. It depends on the news every day. This is what we have been facing the whole time, the whole 3 months, is due to the escalation in the Middle East and everything else, yeah, that happened affecting this market. So basically, I'm looking still for a very likely potential triangle here as an A, B, and a wave C opening for wave C here already for for a zigzag, and then another wave D and a wave E, and finally pushing toward the downside. So I would say this currently it still has the highest probability, especially by pre-confirmation for higher so far taken, meaning it has eliminated the double 1-2 toward the downside here. Simply by taking this high, you eliminate this 1-2, and by the elimination of this 1-2, automatically the previous 1-2 is as well eliminated, leaving us with only one probability right now, which is the triangle A, B, C, D, and a E. That means, yes, we might range even 4 months still to finish up this correction in a triangle and then pushing down. This is a bearish. The bullish scenario is that we continue simply toward the upside by taking confirmation for the bull market $76,181. For this, I need a clear impulse toward the upside, meaning I need to continue this impulse, which in case it is a 1 A, B, C wave 2 here as an expanding flat, having a wave 3 unfinished internally, I still need one more high, then getting a wave 4 sideways, that because wave 2 is kind of like a flat and very deep, I would say. So alternation, you need sideways and longer time. And then wave 5, I don't need it to break, like to break decisively directly. I just needed to touch it. I need to touch the confirmation for bull market. By doing this, okay, I got a confirmation that something here can be very likely to be impulsive toward the upside or we're breaking out. Of course, there is a probability that it might trap us again, like kind of like an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this probability even is looking for higher wave C. That because, of course, if you're looking here, let's say this is your wave A, this is your wave B, you're looking even for something higher. We're talking here about 82K, which is very interesting, right? I mean, currently we are at 71K, 11K. That is a very interesting move. So basically, this is what I need exactly to see a confirmation for a bull market. I need the $76,180. From there, I can start to be tending to be very bullish. Yeah, I mean, much more bullish rather than just sideways or corrective. So far, we're still in the range. We didn't left this area here, and we're still in the range and under pressure potentially for a wave D that it might come next. If we dive inside it on the 15-minute chart, well, obviously that this is a corrective wave. Let's start directly from there. And what this corrective wave suggests here is a WXNOI. W an X, and a wave Y can be triangle the wave Y, meaning A, B, C, D, and an E, and then pushing for higher. Or it can be simply an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 somehow as an ending diagonal. Can be for a wave C, for example, or it can be even impulsive. Well, yeah, can be. Why not? So we gotta be careful. If this happens as an impulse, it's a red flag, meaning wave D very likely to be unfolding rather than something as a wave 4 in this impulse. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus. Another reason that I doubt a little bit that this is a wave 4 here is that if this is your wave 2 here, as let's say 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you got kind of like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, well, you still need one more wave 4, which it should reflect this wave 2 there, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. And this wave 4 is huge in time. So alternation is start to be a question mark. Once it start to be a question mark, meaning, yeah, something is wrong. So we gotta be careful, guys. Okay, we gotta be careful. We'll see what's gonna happen. But basically, I would say the things are still somehow looking strong for bullish. I'm not saying that it's very, very weak. This is very normal to get after such a move. And I'm still expecting one more high here, at least in a wave 3. Expect something to be stronger a little bit, especially when having such a complicated correction. So I'm expecting something to push really for higher and directly taking the confirmation. Once we take this confirmation, then I feel much more relief to say, okay, guys, we're bullish potentially in 70%. We're looking for higher. And that would be much more beautiful, of course, than being still 50-50 or even, let's say, so far 60% for the bullish, since we are in this zone there. Yep, so this is regarding Bitcoin. I would say trade safe because the news are horrible. The whole area here, since months, the news are leading the markets. Not just crypto, also it's all the markets, guys. It's a little bit untradeable. Yeah, so be careful, very risky. Trade safe, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.